Time to do final assembly time. I just have this clamped here. The frame is resting on this piece of plywood, so I can slide it back and forward if I need to. Got another clamp over there. I gotta put some socks on it and get screwing the face frame to the boxes. I gotta pull the top box down because the way the middle portion gets fastened is through pocket holes that are up on that section. Didn't come through. Got a little nervous there for a second because I couldn't see it. The clamp was covering over it. This one. So here is the device. This is a electric lifting dolly. This double oven is like featherweight for this machine. It's designed to work with 700 pounds. I've got the door off and we're probably sitting just under 200 pounds, 190 pounds as it sits, which makes it really easy to maneuver around with this thing here. So I'm just gonna get it into place here, get it wired up, and I'm just gonna put it right in. The challenging part is the flexible cord. So this goes into this junction box. You'll see in a minute. Actually, I'll point to the front and the back. And there is a recessed area that it's supposed to collapse into. it doesn't always do that. You got to get like a string, maybe even a coat hanger. As you're slowly pushing it back in there, you got to somehow get in there and get it to get it in the right spot so that it'll go flush to the back of the cabinet. Okay, here goes nothing. I have enough room, I'm not sure. A little nerve-wracking. Oop, wrong way. So this is as high as it gets off the ground there, which is, it is something. I'm trying to figure out a better way to do this. I'm tempted just to push it on up in there. Got my string, pull my wire. Let's just see what happens. All right. All right, we're clear. Where's my string? Here's my string. Yeah! Next step is to hook the breaker up, flip it on, and test it before I get too carried away. I still think this thing is going to be a pain in the butt. Okay, the power is on. How do you, if I turn this off? And I still haven't got it in. I have a ½ inch to go, and I can see up in through here that flex is flexed the wrong way. So I gotta do all this stuff. How do I hit clear? Clock must be set for control to operate. Oh. So I got it that time. I still have this string hanging here. I'll just cut that off and just let it fall in. I'm gonna take it apart. I'm gonna take all the plastic off. I've got mounting screws right here, and then on the oven side, there are 4 screws that go into the face frame, the side of the face frame, and then I put the door in, and it's all done. Hard to believe. I'll definitely let you see what it looks like once the door's on and all that business. But I got to get this giant monster out of here. I'm done before they close, but I'm going to have to pay extra to keep it overnight because I still have to make sure this gets all tidied up. So, for all the naysayers out there that...
No way, Handyman, there's no way that's going to support a double oven in human beings. Woo! Party! We got a party up in here. Come on in.
Never doubt the handyman. Never doubt the handyman. All right, how do I get out of here without breaking anything? Hopefully they don't come home. Doors and drawers aren't going to be done for a long time. Got to move along to all the base cabinets now. Why the base cabinets? We got to get countertops measured. Can't put the sink in, can't put the gas cooktop in until the countertops are in. Thank you for watching. For those of you who believed in me, thank you. For the naysayers, hopefully you learned something. This is the #1 home improvement YouTube channel in the world. Bonus footage. For those of you wondering, not a single scratch on the floor. I did bring in some dust though, so I'm gonna have to sweep and vacuum. I don't think I got these scratches. I just had two big pieces of cardboard that I was just kind of laying behind the dolly as it was coming in. I did check the tires. The tires had one of them had a little piece of metal embedded in it. So I could not just bring it in without having without having cardboard or ram board or some sort of board down. Alright, that's it for bonus. Bonus. Oh, I gotta put the racks in. What is this? Gotta clean that off. There's a little bit of residue from the sticky. Yeah, it comes off. There we go. Plays a jingle.